Are you confused about how to use Facebook Messenger? You're not alone. Many people are unsure about this popular app. In this video, we will take you step by step through the basics of using Facebook Messenger. Let's start with the main features. Facebook Messenger is a messaging app that connects you to friends. You can send messages, share photos, and even make video calls. It's easy to use and great for staying in touch. First, let's install Messenger. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search for Messenger, and hit download. Open the app once it's installed. Next, you will need to log in. Use your Facebook account info. If you're not on Facebook, create an account. Messenger is linked with Facebook to find friends easily. Now, let's explore the interface. At the top, you'll see the search bar. Here, you can search for friends or chat groups. Below, you'll see recent chats. Tap a chat to open it and start messaging. To send a message, tap the text box at the bottom. Type your message and hit the send button. It's that simple. You can also use emojis. Tap the smiley face to add some fun and express emotions. Want to share a photo? Tap the camera icon next to the text box. Choose a photo from your gallery or take a new one. After selecting, hit send to share it with your friend. Let's talk about video calls now. Tap the video camera icon at the top of a chat. This will start a video call instantly. It's like being there in person. In case you want to make group chats, simply tap New Chat and select multiple friends. You can add fun group names and share updates with everyone. Now here's a helpful tip. To keep track of your unread messages, check the red notification dot on the chat icon. This shows you how many new messages you have. Remember to customize your settings. Go to your profile picture in the top left corner. Here, you can turn off notifications or change themes. Personalizing your experience is key. Let's recap what we learned. We installed Messenger, logged in, and explored the interface. We sent messages, shared photos, made video calls, and created group chats. Now you're ready to connect with family and friends using Facebook Messenger. Would you like to see more tutorials on tech? If so, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips designed just for seniors. Happy messaging!